I have some fun things for math today. You see my little rubber ducky? What does he have? He has his graduation cap and his diploma. Now, this helps us to think about what is something that you can put in the tub or the sink or in a bucket of water outside, because it's nice out right now, so you could go experiment. But what type of things would float or sink? Now, this little rubber ducky was made to float in the bathtub. Do you think it will? I don't take a bath. I just have a shower in my bathroom, but my girls have a tub in their bathroom. But I also have the sink. So today, while you're playing, could you find some things and look at them and think about, would they float or would they sink? Some toys stay on top of the water and some sink. Do you know why? Yeah, when things go under the water, we say they sink because they're heavy. Okay, now let me show you this. Would a balloon float or sink? Oh, I know. What about a quarter? Would that float or sink? Can you find some things at your house and have fun deciding whether they would float or sink? Those are things that are fun to experiment with. Now, let's move on to practicing our numbers. Tomorrow you have a page that you get to do for a grade, so don't forget to send me a picture of it. But let's just practice a little bit. Yesterday we practiced counting money. We're going to do that again, but I'm going to show you a number card and I want you to tell me the number that comes after. Can you do that? Let's see. Turn it around. All right. The number is 43. What comes after? All right. 43, 44. Now let's think what comes before it. Over on this side. 42. Good job. All right. Here's another card. What comes after? 93. What comes after? 81, 82. What comes after? 73, 74. Good job. You see the llama head staring at us? He's looking to see if you're getting it right. 27. What comes after? 28. Good job. Notice I don't have these in order. 38. What comes after 38? 39. Okay, now let's go before it. Ready? Look at the number. What comes before it? Remember, you got to hop backwards one. Right, 63, 64, and if we keep going, 65. Here's another one, last one. What comes before? 58, 59, then what comes after? 60, a new family. Good job. All right, I have some price tags on my table here. And let's just zoom in on one of them. Let me move this out of the way. And I have my money set out because I'm going to pretend I'm shopping. Okay. And let's say my candy bar is going to cost 8 cents. Can you tell me what coins I could use to make 8 cents? Well, sure, I could use pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see them? All right, is there an easier way I could do that? Well, maybe not easier, but how about let's use less coins? Can you do that? What could I use? Ooh, did you say a nickel? Yes, I can say a nickel. And then how many pennies? So we have a nickel is worth 5 cents. 5, 6, 7, 8. I can count out 8 pennies. I can do that. But this is using the least amount of coins. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cents. How about the price tag for 3 cents? What coins would I have to use? Yes, I can only use pennies. 3 cents. 1, 2, 3. 3 cents. That's right. All right. Let's go to a harder one. 10 cents. What coins can I use to make 10 cents? Did anybody think of this one? A dime. Yes, I can use 1 dime. What else could I use? I could use, how many of these? That's right, 2 nickels. 5 plus 5 is 10. What else could I use? Pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's a lot of pennies. Wouldn't it be easier to just use 1 dime? Or 2 nickels? Can anybody think of what else I could use to show 10 cents? Think about it. Could I use a nickel and 5 pennies? Look at it. A nickel's worth 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. All right, let's go to this next one. 6 cents. You're right, I could use pennies. 2, 4, 6. But we're getting ready to move to first grade. So let's look at this. What other coins could I use to make 6 cents? The least amount of coins. Can I use that? 5 plus 1 is 6 cents. Good job. All right, here's our last one. Here's our brain buster. 12 cents. What coins could I use to show 12 cents? Yes, I could. I could use a dime and 2 pennies. 10, 11, 12. See, I counted my 10s first, then I added my 1s. 10 plus 1 is 11, plus 1 more is 12. Okay, how else could I show? Did anybody think about using nickels? 5 plus 5 is 10, but I need to make 12 cents, so what do I need to add? Yes, 2 pennies. 5 plus 5 is 10, 11, 12. That's 12 cents. And yes, you're right, I could do all pennies. But we're getting ready to go to first grade, so we want to be able to count our dimes and our nickels and our pennies. Yay! Good job, kindergarten.